Stepping into the world of linear drum fills, I'm going to show you how to take this simple tom roll and replace some of the notes with kick drums. I'll show you 3 variations of linear fills, and I'll also show you how to play it within the context of a groove. What's up? Chad Peters here at the Xgroove, teaching you simple and effective strategies to help you become a better drummer. So let's play some drums. The easiest way to learn linear drum fills is to play in groupings of 4 because they're even and symmetrical. And when we move into odd patterns like groupings of 3, the pattern moves differently throughout the measure. So, taking a look at this simple snare fill, we're going to change these notes to kick drums, giving us a right-left kick-kick pattern. And it sounds like this. Now, to make things a bit more interesting, let's change these notes to tom notes, moving from high to low and back over to the snare, still keeping that same motion as a tom roll. Let's check it out. Now that you have the basic idea down in groupings of 4, let's take a look at our snare fill again. Leaving the 4 snares on the end, you're going to change every third note to a kick drum, giving you a right-left kick pattern, which sounds like this. And now let's change those snare notes to toms again. And notice that you now have groupings of 3 and groupings of 4 in the same measure. Let's see how it sounds. This third variation you've already dabbled in a little bit by mixing groupings of 3 and 4 in the same measure. So now you'll expand further on those concepts and even add a third grouping to the drum fill. So let's first add our kicks. Then let's throw some toms in there. And now you have a grouping of 4, 2 groupings of 3, and your new grouping is a pattern of 6. And this creates a nice rhythm that's perfect for complementing a groove. So let's check it out. Now, because drum fills are meant to complement a groove, you're going to take your new drum fill and play it with a groove. But first, I want to show you how it complements the rhythm. If you look at the drum beat and the fill on top of each other, you'll notice some rhythmic similarities. You have a grouping of 4, 2 groupings of 3, and your grouping of 6. So you're complementing the rhythm with the added tom, snare, and kicks while staying within the context of the drum beat. And these complemented each other so well that I actually tried to play the 2 of them at the same time. So after your lesson challenge, stick around for a short Xgroove performance to see how it turned out. Let's get to it. So you learned 3 variations of linear drum fills and how to apply them within a groove context. But what we didn't talk about in this lesson was the bass drum technique needed to play some of these drum fills. So if you'd like to learn 2 simple drum beats to help develop your bass drum technique, check out the video above, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.